The following message is being transmitted as requested by the United States government. We are sorry to inform you that this will be the very final broadcast and activation of the emergency alert system, as there is not much time left. This is an end-of-the-world warning, and we urge you to listen immediately so you can come to terms with what's going to happen. This is not a drill. The United States government would like to express its condolences following this announcement. It has been recently discovered that a black hole is on its course towards Earth and is expected to make contact with us in the next 7 minutes. Once the black hole makes contact with the planet, it will absorb Earth, ending all life by pulling everything inside. By using its gravitational pull, everything on this planet will be drawn into the black hole and destroyed, completely obliterated. Unfortunately, no living being will be able to survive or escape it. Entering a black hole initiates a painful process known as spaghettification, which can stretch and tear a human body apart. In some cases, the process may be painless, as your body will have limited time to register the pain. If you wish to avoid this and death by the black hole, you are permitted to commit suicide in this instance, as a final means to avoid the black hole. However, we strongly advise against this, and it should only be done as a last resort if you truly believe that it is absolutely necessary. Committing suicide is strongly not advised, as you will be losing your last few minutes on Earth as well as causing distress for your friends and family during their final moments. It's important that you value every second, as it could be your last. You must not waste it by panicking as the black hole is coming nearer to the planet by each minute. Time is valuable, and you must not waste it. By wasting what time you have left, you are only making the situation more difficult. Give yourself time to process what's going on around you as well as the present. If you wish, you may do anything that gives you any form of comfort or distraction before the end. This can range from partaking in a favorite hobby or sport and even spending time with those you appreciate dearly. At the moment, unrest is occurring all across the globe upon the discovery of the black hole. If you see any form of criminal activity, do not attempt to engage or cause any violent conduct, as you will be immediately terminated if you do so. You will not gain anything from harming others or committing crimes with the intention of causing civil unrest, due to the recent announcements. Police are heavily guarding many major places across the United States in the event of any incidents that may occur. Police will not hesitate to use any form of lethal force against those who pose a threat to the peace during end times or refuse to cooperate with orders. It's important that we remain respectful of each other, as we all share the same situation as human beings. There is little time left. We would like to thank you for being an American citizen and for being the backbone of our society, which has made the American dream possible. With the little time you have left, be sure to use it wisely, as by the second, the black hole remains closer. That concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. Thank you and goodbye. May God bless you all.